Yes, hi everyone. So welcome back to Power Electronic Control of Drives online series. And today, in previous class, so we solved some problems regarding to the chopper fed DC motor drive. Let us we continue for today also. We will solve some more problems because this subject it is very important, and most probably so you can expect the problems in the chapter in this chapter also. So therefore, so we try to do some more examples. Okay, yes, write on the problem. A DC chopper is a DC chopper is a DC chopper is used in rheostatic braking, rheostatic braking, of a DC separately excited motor, of a DC separately excited motor, the armature resistance is 0.05 ohms, 0.05 ohms. The braking resistance is 5 ohms. Braking resistance is 5 ohms. The back EMF constant is KB is equal to 1.52 volt per ampere radian per second. Volt per ampere radian per second. The average armature current is average armature current is maintained constant at 150 amperes. 150 amperes. Average armature current is maintained constant at 150 amperes. The armature current is continuous. Armature current is continuous and negligible ripple. Armature current is continuous and negligible ripple. The field current is 1.5 amps. Field current is 1.5 amperes. If duty cycle of the chopper is 40%, determine Yeah, the first one. Average voltage across chopper. Average voltage across chopper. That is VCH. Okay. Next, second one is yes, power dissipated in the braking resistor. Power dissipated in braking resistance RB. Okay, next, the equivalent load resistance of the motor. Equivalent, third one. Yes, equivalent load resistance of the motor. Equivalent load resistance of the motor acting as generator. Equivalent load resistance of the motor acting as generator. Okay. And fourth one, the motor speed. Motor speed. Motor speed. And fifth one, fifth one, the peak chopper voltage. Peak chopper voltage. Peak chopper voltage. Yeah, this is the problem. So how we solve this problem? Yeah, if you observe this is DC chopper is used in rheostatic braking. Rheostatic braking, in the sense, it is dynamic braking. Rheostatic braking is dynamic braking. Okay. Now the dynamic braking is employed for the DC motor, separately excited motor, and this separately excited motor is connected to the DC chopper, and he has given the various values. Ra is given, braking resistance is given, back EMF constant is given, and armature current is given, field current is also given, and duty cycle is given, and he asked to find the various components like this. Okay. Yes, so how we solve this? First we should know the formulas for these 5 cases, 5 problems, 5 questions. Yes, what are the formulas? Yes, first let us write the given data. Yes, IA is there, 150 amps, and KB is given 1.527 volt per amp and radian per second. Next, gamma is given, duty ratio gamma is equal to 0.4. Okay. Armature resistance is 0.05 ohms. This we can also take as motor resistance. Armature resistance is motor resistance, like that. We assume. If it is so, then first one is, what is average voltage across chopper? What is average voltage across chopper? What is average voltage across chopper? First, we should find what is average current passing through the chopper. What is our average current passing through the chopper? Average current passing through the chopper. That is average current passing through the chopper. This is IA average passing through the I average passing through the chopper. Or we can also say it is happen the chopper the average current passing through the chopper in the sense when braking resistance is connected. Yes, when braking resistance is connected, what is how much current passing through the chopper, which is given by I average is equal to IA into 1 minus gamma, 1 minus gamma. Yes, 1 minus gamma. That means what we can say? Average current passing through the chopper when it is employed for braking. Yes, when it is employed for braking. So actually, what is gamma? Gamma is equal to T on by T. T on by T. But braking is employed, so by turn offing the chopper. Braking is employed by turn offing the chopper. So that means we can disconnect the source and we used to connect one resistance across the motor. So then that process is called the dynamic braking. Rheostatic braking is nothing but dynamic braking. So hence what we can say, the current will be passing through the braking resistance when chopper is turned off. When chopper is turned off. That means here the duty ratio, here the average current is, we used to take from, that is average current will be yes IA into T off by T. T off by T. So where T off is equal to IA into T minus T on by T. So hence it is equal to IA into 1 minus gamma. This we have to remember. Okay. So when braking is employed and he has to find what is average voltage across chopper, in the sense it is when we have the average voltage across chopper, tell me, when we have average voltage across chopper, whenever the chopper is turned off, then only we have the average voltage is there. Otherwise there is no voltage across the chopper. When chopper is turned on, when chopper is turned on, so is there any possibility to have the voltage? No, because it acts as the short circuit. It acts as the short circuit. So now you can write the equation for I average is equal to IA into 1 minus gamma. He has given IA, that is 150 amperes. Therefore, IA I average is equal to IA into 1 minus gamma, where it is given by 150 into 1 minus 0.4, because duty ratio is 40%. Duty ratio is 40%. So hence how much this value, 150 into 0.6 is 90 amperes. Yes, 90 amperes. If average current is 90 amperes, then what is average voltage? V average is equal to I average into RB. I average into RB. So therefore, 90 into, yes, what is RB? 5. Hence it is 450 volts. 450 volts. Okay. Next, second one. Yes, power dissipated. Yes, power dissipated in the sense, here also you can write Ia square into RB into 1 minus gamma. RB into 1 minus gamma. So hence here you can write this as 150 square into 5, 1 minus 0.4. 1 minus 0.4. So it is approximately, calculate how much value, it is approximately 67.5 kilowatts. Okay, 67.5 kilowatts. Then what is equivalent resistance of the load? Equivalent load resistance of the motor when it is acting as the generator. So that means you need to calculate the total resistance in the circuit when braking is employed. When braking is employed. Yes, what is total resistance? That is R equivalent. It is third one. R equivalent is equal to motor resistance plus braking resistance. Braking resistance used to be considered as RB into 1 minus gamma. Minus gamma. So hence this is RM, motor resistance is 0.05 plus RB is 5, 1 minus 0.4. If you calculate, you will get approximately 3.05 ohms. 3.05 ohms. Okay. Next, how you can find out the speed? How you find the speed? A speed in a sense, here you need to go with the generated voltage. You need to use the generated voltage. So that is, motor can generate. What is the formula? Eg is equal to Ka pi into omega. Ka pi into omega. Ka pi into omega. Or you can also write as Ia into R equivalent. Ia into R equivalent. So now we equate these two. We equate these two. So hence you can write omega is equal to Ia R equivalent by Ka pi into omega. So here we know Ia, we know R equivalent. So this is Eg. We know Ia R equivalent Ka pi Ka in the sense he has given the value of Kb. Kb is given. Yes, Kb in the sense he has given as volt per ampere radian per second. That means you need to take pi in. Eb is equal, you can write. Yes, you can write Eg is equal to Ka If into n. Sorry, omega. Then the units will be volt per amperes and 1 by radians per second. Yes, now it is valid. Okay, so hence we can consider this equation for omega only, and in the place of pi you can substitute if only. Yes, here Eg is not k. Okay, so now you can find out what is the value of omega. You know all the values. Yes, find out that. That is omega is equal to Eg, sorry, IAR equivalent, in the sense 150 into 150 into RB 1 minus gamma plus Rm equivalent resistance divided by Kb into If. Yes, now we substitute this. Ia is 150, Rb is 5, 1 minus 0.4 plus 0.05 over, yes, Kb value is 1.527 multiplied by 1.5. So now how much this value? Yes, approximately you will get this value as 199.73 radians per second. It is approximate value. Okay, then what about speed? We know that omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. Omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. That means n is equal to 60 omega by 2 pi. Okay, that is n is equal to 60 into omega 199.3 over 2 pi. This is approximately 1907.4 rpm. Okay, then what is peak chopper voltage? Last one, peak chopper voltage is equal to Ia into Rb. Peak chopper voltage is Ia into Rb. So where Ia is 150 and Rb is 5. Thus therefore it is 750 volts. Yeah, 750 volts. Yeah, this is how we can solve the problem. Let's write in one more problem. Yeah, is it over? Let's write in the next problem. Yes, now if chopper is used for the regenerative braking, so let us we do one example under this. A DC chopper is used. A DC chopper is used in regenerative braking regenerative braking regenerative braking of a DC series motor. DC series motor as shown in figure. As shown in figure. Okay. The supply voltage is 600 volts. Supply voltage is 600 volts. Armature resistance is 0.02 ohms. 0.02 ohms, and field resistance is 0.03 ohms. 0.03 ohms. The back EMF constant is back EMF constant is 15.27 millivolts per amperes radians per second. Millivolts per amperes radian per second. The average armature current is maintained constant at 250 amps. At 250 amps. 250 amps. The armature current is continuous. Armature current is continuous and has negligible ripple. Armature current is continuous and has negligible ripple. Negligible ripple. If the duty cycle of the chopper is 60%, if the duty cycle of the chopper is 60%, 60%, determine the first one, average voltage across chopper, average voltage across chopper, average voltage across chopper, the power generated to the DC supply, power generated to the DC supply, power generated to the DC supply, the equivalent load resistance of the motor, equivalent load resistance of the motor acting as generator, equivalent load resistance of the motor acting as generator, The minimum possible braking speed, the minimum possible braking speed, minimum possible braking speed, the maximum possible braking speed, maximum possible braking speed, the motor speed, motor speed, motor speed. Okay. Yes, he has given. That means the chopper is used to regenerative braking of a DC series motor as shown in figure. The figure is given. Yes, I hope all of you taken this. Let me erase the screen. Yeah, the chopper circuit is given like this. It is EB, LA, RA, RSE, LSE. Okay, VS. This is diode, chopper. Okay, from the figure, let me know whether this chopper is step up chopper or step down chopper. Class A chopper or class B chopper. Just any one of you. The chopper which is given in the circuit, whether it is step up or step down, class A or class B. Which kind of chopper it is? Yes, just to do remember that if the chopper is connected at the source side, if the chopper is here, then it is class A or step down chopper, step down chopper. If chopper is in this branch, then it is class B or step up chopper. That means he has given step up chopper, has given step up chopper. Step up chopper. Okay, yes, whatever it is, as we are applying the braking here, that is regenerative braking. So first let us write the given data. Yes, he has given that gamma is equal to 0.6 and source voltage Vs is equal to 600 volts. Yes, then what is average voltage across chopper? Yes, average voltage across chopper is average is equal to 1 minus gamma into Vs. This is for type B. Okay, that means 1 minus 0.6 into 600 is 240 volts. Yes, it is 240 volts. Average voltage across chopper. It is not output voltage. It is average voltage across chopper. Yes, output voltage in the sense, what is the equation? V average is equal to Vs by 1 minus gamma. This is average output voltage of chopper, but this is average voltage across chopper. The difference is there. Okay. 240 volts. Now, what is the first one he asked? Yes, what is the first one he asked? Yeah, the average voltage across chopper, it is over. The power generated to the DC supply. The power generated to this DC supply. Yes, when the power is generated to the DC supply from the circuit, it supplies to the DC supply when the diode is conducting. When diode is conducting, in each cycle the power is fed to the source. So, for 0.4 T cycles, that is when chopper is off. When chopper is on for 0.6 T, but chopper is off for 0.4 T. That means what we can say, the average power fed back to the DC source is given by, this is A and here it is B. Yes, what is that? Just write down one line here. The power is regenerated. The power is regenerated to the DC supply. To the DC supply when the diode is conducting. When diode is conducting. In each cycle, the power is fed for, in each cycle the power is fed for 0.40 seconds. 0.40 seconds. Okay. So, therefore, average power fed back to the DC source, average power fed back to the DC source is Vs Ia into 0.4. Yes, where Vs is 600, Ia is 250 into 0.4, 60 kilowatts. 60 kilowatts. Yes, when the motor is acting as generator and feeding power to the mains, what is an equivalent resistance? What is an equivalent resistance? That is, you can write this as equivalent, C, equivalent resistance or equivalent is equal to, you can write the formula like this, EB by IA, where EB is, yes, where EB is V average, that is chopper average, chopper voltage, chopper average voltage, chopper average voltage plus IA into RA plus RSE by I. Now, what is V average? We know that it is 240 plus 250 into 0.02 plus 0.03 over 250. Is find out how much this value. Says R equivalent is equal to 240 plus 250 into 0.05. It is nearly equal to 12.5 over 250. You can also write this as 252.5 by 250. Therefore, what is equivalent resistance? 1.01 ohms. 1.01 ohms. 1.01 ohms. Then how you find the minimum possible breaking speed and maximum possible breaking speed? Minimum possible breaking speed and maximum possible breaking speed. Just tell me. Minimum possible breaking speed in the sense? Yes, you can write. Do remember this. N minimum. This will be happen when V is equal to Ka pi into omega. Ka pi into omega. Okay, V is equal to, that is V in the sense, what is V? The minimum generated voltage required to circulate 250 amperes, where V is minimum generated voltage required to circulate 250 amperes. Then in this case, what is V? V is equal to IA into RA plus RSE. Okay, this will be IA into 0.02 plus 0.03. Already we calculated, I think so. This is 12.5 volts. 12.5 volts. Okay, then what is omega? Omega is equal to V by Ka pi. So here the pi is not there, as it is the series motor. The field current is equal to armature current only. You need to take pi as Ia. Therefore, omega min is equal to V by Ka into pi. In the place of I can write Ia. Yes, so how much this value? 12.5 over 15.27 millivolts. Millivolts in the sense, if we convert to the volts, then it will be 0.01527 into 250 radians per second. Radians per second. Then how much this value? 3.274 radians per seconds. But my intention is to find out minimum speed in RPM. So then N RPM is equal to N minimum is equal to N minimum is equal to 3.274 into 60 by 2 pi. Hence, how much this value? 31.26 rpm. It is minimum 31.26 rpm. Then what about maximum possible speed? It is occurred when duty ratio is maximum, that is 1. Yes, that is maximum possible speed, n max. It is occurred at gamma is equal to 1. Then what is VA is equal to Vs is equal to 600 volts. Okay. Then what is back EMF? EB is equal to, or here you can write it is not EB, it is EG. EG is equal to Vs plus Ia into Ra plus Rse. This is 600 plus 12.5. Already we calculated this value. So hence it is 612.5. Then what is omega max? Here also we calculated Eg, that is omega max is equal to Eg by Ka into Ia. That is 612.5 over 0.01527 into 250. Yes. Then what is the answer? Maximum speed. It is omega max is equal to 160.44 radians per second. 160.44 radians per second. Then what is corresponding maximum speed? N max is equal to, that is in RPM, corresponding maximum speed in RPM. So that is N max is equal to 160.44 into 60 by 2 pi. Therefore, it is 153.2 rpm. Sorry, it is not 153. Just to check the answer. It is not 153. Yes, just to check this answer, it is, I hope, I think it may not 153. It may be some more value. Check the answer. So then last one. What is the motor speed at gamma is equal to 0.6 and V average is equal to 240 volts? Yes, here we know that EB is equal to 240 V average plus Ia into Ra plus Rsc, that is 12.5, which is 252.5. Now what is the speed? Yes, what is the speed here? Speed is omega is equal to, directly I will calculate the n. N is equal to 252.5 over 0.01527 into 50, 60 by 2 pi. This is equal to 631.6 rpm. Okay. Yes, I think yes, the time is over. Thank you for listening the class. Stay home, stay safe. Do not pandemic. I hope all are doing good. I pray the God to give good health to you and your family. Thank you once again.